Hello everyone. Here are some abundant watches again with me. These are the beautiful Seiko 5. This one and this one called the Seiko Railways. Seiko 5 Railways watches. This one is a quartz watch. It's Orient. Keep aside. This one is also a Seiko 5. All of them are 21 jewels. These watches all are with the very popular 7s26 movements. These watches are abundant for nearly 15 to 20 years. They all have a oiling or service now. They're not working well. A little bit working. This is a disadvantage of automatic watches, that it becomes unworkable if kept in your drawers for a long time. Now I have to oil it or service these old watches, and I am going for a restoration of these watches. I will get back to you soon after the restoration. Keep in touch to know the results after the oiling, the restoration. This is so beautiful. This one has luminous dial. It's beautiful. It's working a little bit. So I'll get back to you very soon. These bracelets need a cleaning. So see you soon after the restoration. Please keep in touch.